about to open. Day after FOMC. We'll see what we get. All right, out the gate, we're gonna move. I'll move and move. All right.
Order submitted.
Order submitted. Oh, is that on my other one? I'm testing another Santa variation. What planet is this on? That's what this is. It's in a short. Ooh, green, $75 on the short. Let's see if it keeps dropping here. I have it on simulation because I'm just testing it. Green, 105 on the short. Ooh, under that magic line too. Did you see that move up on that magic line? I wish TikTok could see, well, I think this is what Laura was trying to get me into before, is if I did like
order filled,
Zoomy or whatever, then I would be able to show like my whole screen on TikTok and Instagram and all that. But, and I'm not like against change, but sometimes I'm like, this works fine. All right, if you're new here, my name's Lauren. I go live every day, Monday through Friday, showing you my auto trading algorithms on the futures market. Please say good morning. Tap that screen, hit that thumbs up if you're on YouTube. Oh, that's short. See, the offset might be too close. It hit the offset at 78. Now we're down at 55. We'll have to see. Oh, look at that bounce. Good morning, good morning. What's up, Ralph? All right, so we had a really good student call this morning. Hopefully all of my students found it as helpful and informative as I thought it was. It's 9:32. So last night NQ evening was a win, NQ night was a win, ES night was a win, which is also something we talked about yesterday in the group. Kind of like a little pattern that we've noticed. Certain days of the week, certain times of the year. So we talk about that. ES London in the premium side was a win last night for $312. Yesterday ES afternoon during FOMC was green, $1,000. Something like that. Oh, I forgot I clicked that. Well, I could click it now so you guys could see.
Order submitted.
That was the win on the bottom right. Yes. I'm going to mute this VPS because sometimes I feel like it throws me off. Like there's a trade happening and there's not. It's just something I'm testing over. I have two VPSs, and so the second one I test stuff. So I'll be live till 10:30. 9:30 to 10:30 is my live stream every day. Then I have several of my members that like to go live and tell people about the bot. So Jen will be live from 2 to 3 p.m. Will be live from 3 to 5 p.m. And then Kyle will be live from 6 to 9 p.m. tonight. And Kyle goes live on not only TikTok, but also YouTube and Twitch, which is a lot of fun. So if you have any questions, put them in the chat. Jen is in there, Kyle's in there. They can answer any question that you might have. Thank you guys for being there. Vegas is coming up soon. Remember, during Vegas, Jen will be going live for me. I will not be live. And Jen, it's up to you if you want to do morning and afternoon or just morning. There's also not going to be any student calls the week of Vegas. But I'm sure you guys will survive. It will be okay. I promise. All right, it's 9:34. Today's probably going to be a bit of a slower day. This is something we typically notice. But I would love to get an NQ early win, NQ later win. Tell this drop to just wait a few more seconds. 2 more seconds.
Order submitted.
Do you see that like last 2-second drop?
Target filled.
Target filled. That's NES early hit target. Now we just need NQ. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Wait, a little lower. A little lower. Is it this one or this one?
Target filled.
There we go. Target filled. Nice. All right, NQ early hit, ES early hit. Nice, nice, nice. See if market wants to keep dropping here. Look at that drop. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. We need some eggs in the chat. We need some apples in the chat. The student play has played out. I don't know if I break this down. Let me see if we got that. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. The student play has played. Okay, where are my students at? The student play has played. Who took the short? Look at that candle. Do you guys see what I see? Do you guys see what I see? Oh, y'all, this is so sexy. I'm walking, so my drawings are always real sketch. My mouse control when I'm walking on the treadmill is not the best, okay? Not the best. Perfect. The one that I'm testing is 2 for 2 for $150. So like real quick Santa scalps. That's fine, Dave. I know some people didn't, so obviously I'm cheering for everyone. But yep, if you hadn't sim, that was safe. So NQ evening was 1 for 1. NQ night was 1 for 1. ES night, and I know those were a no play last night, but what we were talking about in the group kind of makes them a play, but I didn't want to like force people to do that, so I kind of said it without saying it, if that makes sense. I don't know, maybe I'm not making sense, but hopefully I am. All right. Nice move back here. Really nice. My regular Santa is not in any trades yet, so we'll see if that triggers a trade soon. If not. See if we go back down under 50.
Order submitted.
Oh, that went so fast. Y'all, if you're not in the mentorship, what are you doing? Literally, what are you doing? It makes no sense to not be in the mentorship. I'm in the short on Santa Green. $175. Woo! $300. And I should probably... Alright, I gotta turn that one off. Oh, that one's that one. That's fine. Hello! Hello! Where are my students? Where are my students? Where? I need all hands up. I need to know who is paying attention and who is actually doing the work. Because this was so easy. This was so easy. I got in this short right here and it flushed so fast. I made $500 like before it could even process the stop. What?
Order canceled.
What? Kyle and Foxy are the only ones raising their hand. Oh, Rick, this was a beautiful. All right, perfect. Got it on micro. Didn't even pick up my mini order. Great call. Thanks, Robinson. Andon got it. Good. I want to see it in the student chat, too. Thank you, Robinson. You guys, that is beautiful. Joel's busy doing his homework. He needs to be practicing.
Order submitted.
You guys, so easy. If you have not signed up for the mentorship yet, I don't know what you're doing. As Savannah said, in it to win it. Oh, yeah. What's up, George? We got 2 shorts. 2 shorts. And you can... Oh, this is still in the 1 minute. I didn't realize I was still on the 1 minute chart. That's clearly why. I was like... 2.
Order
This is the first one. I
canceled.
caught the second one. Good job. Robinson made $5,000 across all of his accounts. Remember, the Apex sale has been extended now. Oh, Santa's in a trade, and it's green 2 something on the day already. So also, if you're running Santa, you've already made your money for the day. It's in this long, green $115. Nice, nice, nice. I'm up 225 on that one. The other one that I'm testing
Order
is...
filled.
Oh, it was in a long, it just had a loss. Oh, that was the same one as that. I took today off too. And that's fine. That's not a big deal. I'm just really excited. Because, hello, like, how perfect. How perfect. Why are we posting this in... Why are we posting that in miscellaneous questions? Oh, you're talking about rhythmic? Oh, we shouldn't be posting... Bonton, let's not be posting the chop zone in Apex threads. If there's a rhythmic issue, this is why you guys shouldn't have rhythmic anymore. This is why I said months ago to get rid of rhythmic. Unless, like, you have a PA and you're still doing really well, you should not be purchasing any more rhythmic accounts. You guys are just going to have to, like, turn everything off. Oh, a third time. A third time. You guys, do you just want, like, 10 to 20 points every time it comes back here? Or more? Or more? Just email me and get the freaking mentorship. I don't know what to tell you guys.
Order submitted.
This is my proprietary chop zone, the gray box. I give it to my students every
Order
morning by 5
submitted.
a.m. If you're having connection issues, Bonton has 20 PAs. Well, yeah. Well, oh, then I get that. But I was just saying not to post in there about the... I guess I could put that there. No looking away. Literally, your eyes should be glued to the screen until 11. Or at least 10:30. If anything's happening with your Rhythmic account that looks sketchy or weird, make sure you're taking a lot of documentation.
Order
See,
filled.
this is another reason why we avoid the day after FOMC. Because of connection issues. They probably have all happened
Order
on a
submitted.
day like this. 20, 150 gig trading bank accounts is the goal. You can evals in the waiting that are passed, right? What? What does that mean? You can evals in the waiting? What does that mean? I don't know what that means. Ooh. Who's got that RTY Oracle and the Oil Oracle? They're both green, about $500 here. Let's go. I think, who said they were putting them on the other day? Naveen. Who is in CL and RTI Oracle? Okay. Called this short over a half hour ago. Got it, and it dropped over 50 ticks. $500 per mini. I've already named this my Vegas trade. Get ready. I'm so excited, Dana. I'm so RTY me. Oh my god, a fourth time. Just a fourth time. You can have evals waiting. Oh yes, you can have evals waiting that are passed. Correct. They won't, like, they're not going to give you a time frame on when you have to pay by. It's probably safest to email them and just say, hey, I know these evals are passed, but I don't have the money right now to make them a PA.
Order
And they'll be like,
filled.
oh, that's fine. You know, whatever. And so then they won't take it away from you, and it will just sit there. But Jen was saying this yesterday. If your renewal comes up, you would have to pay that renewal for the monthly, if that makes sense, because you're still in an eval situation. You know what I mean? Hold on, I'm going to step off so I can draw the arrow properly. 1, 2, 3, 4. The PA payment screen is nicer now and doesn't automatically default to monthly payments. Yeah, it's a lot nicer. At first, I couldn't figure out how to. You guys, this is the student play. This is the student play. The move back to the chop zone and the short. We've taken the short now 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Like, oh my gosh. I might have to start watching the 1-minute chart on the student play. This is like insanely good. Oracle's in a trade. ES and NQ are both in trades, both green. $215 here on the Oracle short. If you want more information on the bots, email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. $375 on the Oracle short, $450 on the Oracle short. Thank you, Irma. I appreciate the share of the live. Everyone's sleeping this morning. Sleeping on the trade. Guaranteed green on the NQ Oracle short. Also, ES Oracle is in a $400 short. All right. Oracles are coming back to life, I'm telling you. They didn't like the earnings season. Now they're like, all right, we're ready to play again. All right, this one oh shoot, I'm green $500 on my Santa. And the one 300 on R2I. Oil hit the offset. Platinum's in a short for $300. 750 on this NQ short. Let's go, let's go. Tap that screen. 745, 770 on this short. If you want more information, just email me. BoldBot. Sorry, I'm like shifting you guys as I'm walking, so it's probably looking real shaky. Target is $1,000. See if we can get that. But I'm green, no touching Santa, $500 on this eval account that I got. Remember, that what was I going to say? Remember that the sale for Apex is still happening through the month of May. So through May 31st. Still happening. Green on this Santa long. Woo! Green $300, green $400, $500 on this Santa long.
Order
Hell
submitted.
Yeah. $525 on this, $700 on this Santa long. Nice.
Order filled.
Uh-oh, I'm seeing this issue here on, okay, it fixed itself, never mind. This one's done. This one I'm green, like $700. Shugma, we better come back to live because I need my, I know, because if you look at it, like a few weeks ago, $5,000 in 1 week. We want that next week, okay? I'm ready. With 1 mini. Nice job. Yeah, so 80% off any account that you pick at Apex, and then still the 1 day to pass evaluation. So really great stuff. You could pass in 1 day. There's no limit on when you can pass though. If it takes you 90 days, it takes you 90 days. But, yeah. Really nice. Look at the magic line, too. There's been a lot of nice action today. Surprisingly. Split 4? I've only done 4 miles so far. I gotta do 4 more. Alright, RTY still in the short, $300. Platinum still in the short for $400.
Order submitted.
Did you guys see all the stuff I posted before? Kyle, Jen, Laura, Will. Oh, do I have it turned off on that one? Oh, I do. I turned off stand on that one because I was
Order filled.
nervous. Alright, that one just filled there. Because I already made a good amount, and then it was being a little funny on my last close of the trade. So we can put that in the student chat. Whoever that is, I don't know who you are from your username. Is that you, Dave? Let me see. Is that, oh, just like Lauren said. I love hearing that. It's probably my favorite phrase. Lauren was right. Oh my God. Look at that. Lauren was right. You don't have to overcomplicate trading. You just have to listen. If you listen to me, you make a lot of money. If you don't listen to me and you add a whole bunch of dumbass moving averages and you add a whole bunch of indicators that mean nothing, then you're probably not going to make any money. Sorry. Sorry, Charlie. Not Charlie specifically, because there is a Charlie in my group. Just the phrase. Sorry, Charlie. I had to step off so I could do correct arrows again. Yeah, that looks pretty fucking good. Pretty fucking good. Okay. Haha, I already put it in the chat. I know, I read it. It's amazing. Who thumbs up it? Caleb? Let's get some 100s. Literally all you have to do is listen to me. Irma, you're gonna have to. Just have to show you if I already use Rhythmic. Shit's pissing me off. You can't transfer them.
Order canceled.
You can get all your new accounts with them. These are different. Trade-Evade accounts are much better, but if you already have Rhythmic accounts and their PAs and whatever, then obviously you're going to keep them. But going forward, whenever you buy a new account, you should definitely buy Trade-Evade accounts because they're just a lot better. All right. I had to post an announcements for a second. RTY is still in that short. The one that I'm testing, the kind of mixed of a Santa, is green 175. Noted. I didn't look at this yet. 4.5 miles, 80 minutes. Well, it's 10 o'clock. I'm going to stay on here till 10:30 at least, and then probably walk some more while I do some working. I've been getting in this habit of going to Whole Foods, and like, because it's been really nice out this week, so just like getting a drink and then sitting with my laptop. It's nice to not sit in the house and do work. Like, it's nice to like hear stuff and like the birds or traffic and see people, you know, instead of just sitting in a dark closet like I do every day. So, you know, and it's not dark if I keep the door open, but it's dark. All right, I passed that one eval that I got yesterday. Got 2 of the 4 student plays. I was ready for it. Off to a meeting. Hope this day is great for everyone. Where's Scott? Did Scott get the student play? Was he on the call? Let me harass him. I think he was, because I think he... Yeah. I know, what happened with, oh yeah, it hit the offset. This drop, it filled and it broke. All right, this is our secondary move. This is the other student move I talked about. Oh my gosh. Is RTY still in this short? Yep, RTY hit target for $400. Who was in this RTY Oracle short? I think the Oracle's already. Oh shit. What the fuck? What? That can't be true. I made like $4,400 on this one account. I was in a trade that, I guess because I turned the Santa off, but maybe I was still in it and it was a short. It was green like $3,000. That's insane. Insane. I was going to take a picture of this RTY. That's why you should always look at your positions tab. Don't do what I did and just be like in La La Land. Only, what is it called? Replicento. The Replicento copier. Jerome said, "You're the best trader in the world. I am so glad I joined." Yay! Tell your friends. Submitted. And your coworkers. And your family. Thanks, Jerome. Jerome got the mentorship. He's so smart. Been a great week for Dina on his job. Look at that bounce. Hold on, I need to get in on this. Where are we at? I need that other one, 77. Not that one, this one. Oh, so it was that one. Oh, fuck, they both are. Fuck me. Never mind, I'm done with this. Tell me to just kick rocks. $400 on this Santa long. Oh, geez Louise. Now that 176 needs like $100. Alright, I'll get it here. I took a trade on what an account I thought was still an eval, but it had passed. Not realizing that one that had like that $3,000 short or whatever was on a brand new eval. I thought it was on one I already passed. So then I thought that one still needed stuff, but it didn't. All right. There we go.
Order filled.
Okay. They're both good. Now I can post these and be done for the day with those because they both passed eval today and I got both of them yesterday. I took that short off the LIS, obviously. For that extra little $100 I needed. Yeah, they did the same thing to us. Apex copier sucks ass. My NQ price is 17,445. 17,444. But if you're having connection issues today, you should turn everything off, not allow any other trades to happen. Because it's not going to get better within a few minutes, you know what I mean? Could you explain why Oracle is not good for the month of April? It's not the month of April, Ken. The first week of April, Oracle made $5,500. It was the second week of April and the third week of April it didn't do well. This last week, fourth week of April, it is green $900. Nope, sorry, more than that. It's green $3,200 this week. Last week it was only red 150. The week before it was red 1,000. But the last week of March, first week of April was green 5,500. But if you ask me in the group, I can explain why. I'm not going to talk about that on the free live stream, but we know now, and so that's why we put it in timeout this week and last week. And so we didn't have to have any of those losses last week or this week. And now we know why. It doesn't do well, or it didn't do well the last few weeks. $15,000 this morning on my PAs, 2 trades, 1 contract ES, plus 6 MNQ contracts on the student play. I'm done for the day. 2 trades is all it takes. Yes, sir. He made $15,000 with 1 ES contract and 6 micro NQ contracts off of the student play. Hit my goal out for the day. Day 2 of practicing discipline. Thank you, Lauren. Sure thing. Sure thing. Was not even half the student play. I closed it on accident. Nice job, Jerome. I will. It's well worth it. You call the move that NQ makes every day. Where can I find the details for Vegas? I just got back from Vegas last Friday. I loved it. I live in Chicago. Let me send you. Vegas is going to be so much fun. I think I might have deleted the flyer in here, but I have it in the Vegas chat. Yeah, so if you're going to Vegas, you're part of the Vegas chat. It is all fun. Yes, ma'am. Oh, I love it, Scott. I love it.
Order submitted.
Whew. Nice job, nice job. It's 10:11. I feel like it's like 11 a.m. Like we've been here. All right. Nice job to everyone that traded today. If you didn't, I understand that as well. No big deal. All right. 5 miles down. Only 3 more to go. I'll probably stay on here for a few more minutes. NQ night was a win. NQ evening was a win. ES night was a win. NQ early was a win. ES early was a win.
Order filled.
NQ Oracle was a win. ES Oracle was a win. NES London was a win. Santa was a win. Everything was a win today. Actually, NQ Bold Zones is red. $300. Yeah. That's the only thing red. Whew. If you want more info, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Also, Jen will be live from 2 to 3 p.m. on TikTok. BoldBot_JustJen. Kyle will be live later, BoldBot_Kyle. Make sure you check them out. We go
Order
live
submitted.
every day, 9:30 to 10:30, 2 to 3 p.m. 3 to 5 p.m. Will be live. Mr. H Trades is on TikTok. So yeah, all right, a few more minutes. I'm going to wrap up this live. I'm still going to be walking for a bit, and I'll be doing some work, answering some questions, and then I'll take a shower and do my new little Whole Foods thing. Isn't it crazy? I haven't played pickleball since Monday. Well, because I went on Tuesday ready to play, and there was like no one there. And then Wednesday I had stuff going on, and I went to Whole Foods, and I was like, oh, this was nice, and then I guess that's it. Oh, so on Tuesday when no one was there, I went to Whole Foods. So I was at Whole Foods Tuesday and Wednesday. And now today, I don't even really care. I don't know. After walking 10 miles, I don't really, I love pickleball, but I kind of also like this walking now too, so. 30,000, Jen, 30,000. I did 30,000 Tuesday and 30,000 yesterday. So my goal is 20,000 to 25,000. But if I'm over 25,000, like last night I was at 26,000 at like 8 p.m. and I was like, I could crank out another 4,000 steps. So I did. I was honestly folding laundry and walking in place.
Order filled.
I do. I have a plan now. I wish I had looked more back in the fall, but doing it this way should be
Order submitted.
Right back. We came all the way back. Well, I'm
Order
still on the
filled.
1 minute chart, and I'm actually not hating it. And just like that, another rejection off of the level at 70, 72. Just move the walking pad around. What do you mean, like in the house? Walking pad bikes? I don't like biking. Like, the walking pad's kind of heavy. It has wheels on the bottom, but I have it in the office, and which is in the little one's bedroom. So like last night, I wasn't gonna move the walking pad out to the family room, and I didn't want to walk in here because I didn't want to wake him up. So I just folded laundry and walked in place, and then I walked in place as I put the laundry away, and I walked in place while in the family room watching TV. It may have been concept art. No, I don't know. Maybe it's a thing. I'm just not really into bikes, so I probably wasn't looking into it. All right, it's 10:20. I'm going to wrap it up. Thank you for joining. The student play was amazing. The algos were amazing. I'm really happy we had a great day, because sometimes, or it seems like pretty often, the day after FOMC can be a little funky. I'm glad it wasn't. And if you sized down or took the day off, don't be frustrated or mad at yourself. You did the right thing. I was honestly just going hard on some Santa on my evals, and I was pretty conservative on my PAs. So, all right, have a good day. Jen will be live from 2 to 3, Will from 3 to 5, Kyle from 6 to 9, and then I'll be back tomorrow morning. Okay, bye.